In a world where scale meets precision, every machine has a purpose. Imagine a space so large, it can hold an entire aircraft in motion. How do these machines bring a dream to life? Let's see. What does it take to build an aircraft? Precision, technology, and a lot of automation. Watch as these machines work their magic.
Sierra 1, you are clear to approach the main gate. Proceed to the designated unloading zone, Bay 2.
Initiate clamp sequence 3.
Sequence 3 engaged. Pressure nominal.
Riveting sequence is complete on panel 7.
Confirmed. Visual inspection initiated. Stand by for transport.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Copy that. 5 millimeters down.
The spot. Hold it there.
Holding steady.
Begin securing sequence. Double check all connections.
Check the torque on the lower bracket connector.
Reading green on the diagnostic, we're good to go.
All systems indicate nominal parameters.
Confirmed. Power cycle initiated.
The installation looks good from here.
Yes, the alignment is spot on. Let's start the power-up sequence. Align that corner exactly with the rail.
Got it. Should we move to the next section now?
Yes, let's keep the flow going.
Aligning the front rail now.
Okay, I've got the back secured. Hitting the bolts.
Tension low on the inboard cable. Adjusting now.
Reading stable. All checks complete. Ready for operational testing.
All green on the diagnostics.
Copy that. We are clear for testing.
We have a minor scuff right here on the winglet.
Understood. I'll prep the touch-up applicator.
Engine parameters stabilizing at low thrust.
Confirming N1 and EGT readings are in the green.
Acknowledged. Data logged.
Panel 7 results look good. Verify the wiring harness.
Verified. Signing off the pre-flight check now.
Calibration complete. Systems are ready for the engine test.
Acknowledged. We can proceed.
Engines responding smoothly, all parameters green.
Noted. Proceeding with the checklist.
Emergency systems verified operational. Hydraulic systems, all checks complete.
Systems check on Bay 4 complete.
Confirmed. Sign-off initiated.